Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am in Palos Verdes, California at the BEMA 2024 convention, and I am catching up with Mike Porter, President and COO of New Horizons Bakery, and we are just gonna take a walk. Mike, is that cool?
That's absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So thanks so much for coming to the convention and sharing your insight on the Ask a Baker panel. You always really participate a lot with BEMA, and one thing that you do a lot is participate with the Baking Industry Forum. Can you tell me a little bit about BIF, Baking Industry Forum?
So BIF is a collaboration between bakers and equipment suppliers, and it's a very open, very organic type of conversations that we have, just trying to tackle different industry challenges that we're having.
Right.
So we wrote different type of programs for sanitary design. We've done different things with one another, just building relationships to understand challenges. And that's what we found the beauty of the BIF is that we can be so open. We can discuss our challenges, and there's nobody there for themselves. It's just for to advance the industry, which is just a fantastic group.
It really seems like it's a safe space for collaboration between bakers and suppliers. Yeah. And you guys talk a lot about what's keeping you up at night, right? That
Absolutely.
Seems to be like a big question that BEMA likes to ask its baker guests.
No, absolutely, and it really is a very open forum, very safe space. The challenges, and what's the beauty of it is you have people who even compete against each other in the same, equipment manufacturers, or even bakers. Right. But in that room, we just separate it all and say, hey, how do we advance the industry itself? And that's what the beauty has been for the group. And workforce challenges, whether it's training or whether it's equipment, sanitary designs. New technology innovation. I mean, we released RealWare last year at the Nexus, which is a fantastic. Now we're kind of looking at what AI can do for the industry because it's kind of new. So how do we vet that for the industry and give feedback where companies may not have the ability to do that on their own, or they just do such a silo and then nobody else understands it. So how do we as a group bring those innovative ideas and thoughts and challenges to the industry and tackle them for them?
That's amazing. It's advancing the industry forward. Yeah. Thank you so much for all that you do to participate with BEMA. You're always a welcome guest, and we just all really appreciate that you participate and you share these needs with the supplier community. So thank you so much, and thanks for being here.
It's a pleasure. Thank you so much.